Okay, so I have a Mazda 2021 CX-5 and have like this noise that was coming from the passenger side. I couldn't really find where it was coming from, but then just hitting the panels and see where it was, I can hear the noise. And I found it. I think more people have the same issue, but as you can see, look, it's a loose part in this area. Oh no, that's my case at least. It comes here. I had to make the noise around this area. Nothing here, nothing, and here. Extremely annoying, extremely annoying.